Chapter 3. More about Word 2013. In this chapter, we learn finding and replacing text, paragraph spacing, paragraph indentation, mail merge. Finding and replacing text. Sometime we might need to find a word in a document, or we might need to replace it. It is very difficult to do. So, if the document is too large, the editing group of Home tab has command using which we can easily do all this. Finding text. Finding some text in a lengthy document at different places can be very simple. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Find command in the editing group. The navigation pane opens on the left side of the document. Step 3. In the search box, type the word or phrase to be searched. The typed word or phrase will get highlighted at various places in the document, and a list of results will appear in the navigation pane. Step 4. Click on the result to see the word in the document, or use arrow buttons in the navigation pane to locate it across the document. Replacing text. Not only can we find the text, but can also replace it with some other text quickly. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on Replace command in the editing group to open Find and Replace dialog box. Step 3. In the Find word box, type the text that you want to search for. Step 4. In the Replace with box, enter the new text. Step 5. Click on Find Next and then do one of the following. Click on Replace button to change the highlighted word. Click on Replace All to make changes at all occurrence. Click on Find Next to skip the current occurrence.